Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Oja. Welcome to Nixie की पाठशाला. Today we will gonna study about more helping verbs: should, must, and ought to. So let's get started. So our first word is ought to. Ought to is a helping verb that is used to describe the moral obligation or duties or ethics. Suppose if I say like we should respect our elders. So these are ethics, these are moral values. So on that time we should use ought to. Like we ought to respect our elders. We ought to respect our elders. Here is ought to, and this is an helping verb. This is an Next word is must. As you can see here, must. When we say must, we put stress on it. Okay, so must is used for like compulsory things in a formal way. Suppose if you could say that candidate must use blue ball pen. It is also another compulsion that is used in a formal way wherever you go, or suppose you are given an exam. In that examination, there is an instruction that is given there that candidate must use blue ball pen, or you should write your name, or you must write your name in bold letters. So when these kind of instructions are given, they are used must because they are stressing on it. These are mandatory. These are mandatory instruction that you have to follow. So there we use must. So candidates must use blue ball pen, or candidate must write in bold letters. Candidate must come up with some ID proof or other things. So on that time we use must. And second is also in other terms we can say that it is used when you are like self determined about something that you want to accomplish. Suppose if you want to say that okay, I want to, I want to complete this work, or I want to make this work. So on that I must complete this work. I must reach my goal. I must do this. So on that time when you are putting stress on it, when you have to do it, when it is coming from your inside that you have to do it, you want to do it, you are self-determined. On that time we use must. Suppose if I say I must complete my homework. सपोज आई मस्ट कंप्लीट माई होमवर्क. मुझे अपना जो होमवर्क है मुझे कर लेना चाहिए. तो मस्ट इज यूज व्हेन यू आर सेल्फ डिटरमिन्ड. मस्ट इज ऑल्सो यूज व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्यूटी. सपोज इफ आई से दैट सोल्जर मस्ट फाइट फॉर देयर नेशन, दैट citizen must be responsible for their countries. Or if you say that consumer must ask for bill after buying something from the seller. Suppose if I say a soldier must fight for the nation. So here you can see that must is used. Here we are stressing upon this that you have to do it, you must do it. It is a compulsion that a soldier must fight for the nation. So our next word is should. Should is another helping verb, and it is used for several things. Suppose if I say it is used for like giving suggestion. Suppose if I say you should take English as your subject, or you should speak English, or you should work hard. So here you can see that somebody is giving you suggestion to do something. If I say in this sentence, you can see that somebody is giving you suggestion to do something. You should read Hindi. Okay. So our next sentence is, it is also used for giving advices. Suppose if I say you should listen to your parents.
Listen to your
you should listen to your heart, you should do what you think is right for you. So should is also used for giving advice when you are advising someone or somebody is advising you. So on that time we should use should in that sentence, that you should take this, or you should do this, or you should do that. Okay, so here you can see that you should listen to your parents. So here somebody is suggesting you, advising you to listen to your parent. Okay, so like you run fast lest you should miss the train. You work hard lest you will fail in the exam. You, so these are sentences. You can even use this in a negative way. So should is used for giving suggestion, advices, and in a little negative purpose you can use should. So today we have studied ought to, must, and should. Ought to is usually used for describing moral obligation or ethics. Okay, and must is used for for compulsion or self determination, and it is also used for duty, to describe if you are describing someone's duty. Okay, and should is usually used to giving suggestion, advices, and you can also use it in a negative purpose. Okay, so these are little things we can use: should, must, and ought to. These are helping verbs, and that's it for today. And I hope you guys understood what is should, must, and ought to. And if anybody still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.